Hey guys, are you wondering uh, which type of toothbrush to buy to maintain your oral hygiene? There are n number of toothbrushes that are available, different shape, different sizes, different bristles. Which one to buy? Hi guys, I'm Dr. Obang Shah, cosmetic dentist and smile makeover specialist. I provide white, bright, gorgeous, beautiful smile in just a single visit. So today I'll just be briefly telling you about in detail which toothbrush you can buy, and there are n number of toothbrush that are available in market. So I will be discussing about different types of toothbrushes and which is the best suitable for you that you can buy. So stay tuned. So guys, there are like manual toothbrushes, there is electronic toothbrushes, there is something called as chewable toothbrushes. Okay, there is something called as interdental brushes, Skulka brushes, and tough brushes. There's something called as ecological brushes as well. Let's discuss in details which toothbrush serves what kind of cleansable technique, right? So let's discuss one. First thing is with manual toothbrush. It is a very widely available toothbrush everywhere in the market. The manual toothbrush is the brush that we hold and clean your teeth. That is called manual toothbrush. Okay, it is the most commonly toothbrush available in everyone's places, at home specifically. So there are like four primary formats of the manual toothbrush. There are bristle hardness, there is something called as head shape, bristle pattern, and handle design. So let's first talk about bristle hardness. Okay, so there are like three types of bristle hardness. There is soft, medium, and hard. So just briefly, I'll just show you. Now this, I'm not promoting any of the brand, nor I'm sponsoring and I'm being sponsored to promote any of the brands. So this is just a informative video just to give you information regarding different brushes. Okay, so can you see this? This is something called as gentle toothbrush or gently sensitive. So these kind of toothbrush bristles are really soft. Then there's something called as medium kind of toothbrush, zigzag kind of toothbrush. So these are medium bristle toothbrushes. And there's something called as these are really hard kind of toothbrush. Okay, and you can just see different shape as well. Okay, one is rounded, one is squarish, one is ovalish, and the handle type, just see the handles also. So provides different grip. One is straight, one is oval, one is rounded. So provide different grip so that you can hold and you can clean your teeth very efficiently. So just to tell you in brief, like soft bristle toothbrush are only recommended if you have sensitivity. Otherwise, it is not recommended because it will not clean your teeth very effectively because they are soft. If they are soft, you will provide undue pressure on the toothbrush, which will also is not good for the toothbrush and for your teeth. Best to use if you don't have any issues, best to use is medium bristle toothbrushes. Use gentle pressure, and that will serve you. That will clean your teeth really well. Hard brushes are usually not recommended because it will cause abrasion. Okay, that will cause ditching of your teeth at the junction of your gums and your tooth. So stay away from hard, and soft only when recommended. Otherwise, go with only medium bristle toothbrushes. Okay, then there is something called as electric toothbrushes. This is how it looks. Okay, so it's got a button here. It's got a battery inside it, and this just rotates. So in the coming video, I'll be discussing in details its pros and cons of the electrical toothbrush who are those who are recommended for use of electrical toothbrushes, and which is better, a manual or electrical toothbrushes. Okay, so for now let me just not go in details about electrical toothbrushes. I'll just be discussing in briefly different types of toothbrushes. So one is manual, the other is electrical. Then the third one is interdental brushes. So what are interdental brushes? These are this kind of brushes. You can see small, a design that is just meant. It's a small brush, just say around a centimeter or two, which goes in between your teeth and cleans your interdental area. Okay. So it is used to clean interdental spaces. It is called as interproximal brushes. It is a small brush, typically disposable, and it can be reusable with an angled plastic handle or an integral handle. It is used to clean, as I told you, in between the two teeth. There's something called as skull-capable brush. This is a very new name. I know you must have not been heard about this, but I'll just briefly tell you that it is used specifically to clean along the gum lines of your adjacent teeth. Okay, they're usually shaped in a pointed arrow pattern to allow closer adaptation to your gums. It is ideal for cleaning specifically difficulty in reach areas in between your crowns, your bridge walks, and your crowded teeth. So those are skull-capable brush. Then there is something called as end tuft brush. So what are these? These are small round brush headed comprising of 7 tufts of tightly packed soft nylon bridges. They're trimmed so that in the center it can reach deeper into smaller spaces. So these are also recommended in case of a posterior wisdom tooth where your normal brush does not reach. In case of orthodontics, where you have got braces on your teeth and normal brush is not feasible to reach in all the areas, crowded teeth and tooth surfaces that are next to the missing teeth. So in those areas you can use end tuft brushes. There's something called as now a chewable brushes. You might feel this looks very interesting. You just eat, chew, and your teeth will get cleansed. So yes, these are miniature plastic molded toothbrushes which can be placed inside your mouth and you just need to chew. Okay, these are generally recommended for those who are more into travelers. Okay, so and they are also available in different flavors as well. So it is very easy and you feel very refreshed once you chew and maintain your teeth. Last and not the least, there's something called as ecological toothbrush. You must have heard earlier something called as datul, if I'm not wrong, right? So these are biodegradable materials such as wooden handled bristles of bamboo or pig bristles. Okay, so it is replaceable or equivalent of your plastic bristles are available. So these are naturally available toothbrushes. They are also available in the market if you ask them for. Okay, so this is from my side regarding different types of toothbrush. If you have any doubts or questions regarding types of toothbrush, please do comment on my comment box, and please do like, share and comment, and subscribe my YouTube channels to know more regarding how you can maintain your oral hygiene and stay away from dentists and stay away from any tooth problems. Thank you. Signing off, Dr. Umang Shah, cosmetic dentist and a smile maker specialist. I provide white, bright, gorgeous, beautiful smile in just a single visit. Stay tuned guys for more videos in my coming series. Thank you.